Are you new to gardening and wondering what tools you need? It's crucial to know that the right tools can make your gardening journey not only easier, but also more enjoyable. This video will guide you through the essentials of gardening tools. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of gardening tools. Starting our list is the humble spade. This versatile tool proves indispensable in any garden, aiding in digging holes, breaking up tough soil, and moving small amounts of earth. Indeed, when it comes to groundwork, a spade is a gardener's best friend. Next up is the handy trowel. This vital tool is perfect for small digging tasks, making it an invaluable ally when planting or weeding. It's compact, versatile, and effective. The trowel is a must-have for any gardener who wants to get their hands dirty. Our third essential tool is the pruning shears. These are indispensable for trimming and shaping your plants, removing any dead or damaged foliage. They encourage healthy growth by allowing the plant to focus energy on flourishing, not on struggling. With a pair of pruning shears, you can keep your plants in top shape. Last but not least, the garden hose with an adjustable nozzle. It's a game changer for proper watering. Each plant has unique needs. The adjustable nozzle allows tailored watering, from a gentle mist to a powerful stream. A good garden hose ensures your plants stay hydrated and healthy. So, there you have it, the essential tools every gardener needs. From the humble spade to the versatile garden hose, investing in quality tools is the secret to a fruitful garden. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.